PurffleGrab, and a free open-source Spotify and YouTube downloader for Windows. Paste any link, Spotify, YouTube, an entire playlist. Drop them in, or just hit Ctrl-V. Hit Analyze, and PurffleGrab reads the whole track list, artwork, artist, tags, then lets you pick exactly what to grab. One-click presets: 4K, 1080p, MP4, MP3 320, FLAC lossless, phone, podcast, even ringtone. Downloads run in parallel, with live speed and ETA. Grab one file or zip the entire batch. No link? Search YouTube by name, filter, sort, and send results straight to the queue. The queue handles everything at once. Start all, pause, or clear it in a single click. The scheduler queues downloads for later each once, daily or weekly, and convert between MP3, FLAC, MP4, and more, right inside the app. Press Ctrl-K for the command palette and star the links you grab most often. 9 accent colors, dark and light themes, your own download folder, and 0 telemetry. PurffleGrab, free open source and on GitHub.